So my dad purchased me some eggnog, and I'm now going to open it. But it's gonna be an interesting battle. So we've got some eggnog from Trader Joe's. So I've got to open the eggnog. Oh, hey. Oh, so I gotta. Okay. So we've got this guy right here. And I thought it was going to be one of those twist ones, but it's a pull apart. And I'm analyzing it right now to figure out how to open it. Because using my fingers, I'm scared to. Let's see. Oh. Okay. Wow. I think I'm going to get some pliers. I'm going to get pliers. Okay. So, I don't have any pliers in here. Dang nabbit. This. Okay. Where do I have pliers? God, all my pliers. Okay. I'm exhausted, out of breath already. I haven't even done anything yet. I'm gonna get these. Okay, I've got some pliers that are down here. Gonna hurt my back. I'm out of breath. So I got these two pliers. And then I'm gonna put this up here. And then I'm gonna once I catch my breath, I'll open it. Okay, we got this. We got this. Okay, so. Okay, I'm gonna catch my breath. I'm all tingly, out of breath. Lightning shooting down my spine, shoulders, fingertips, elbows. Okay, I think I got one more. My shoulders, forearms, and like the inside of my palms feel weak, sore, ignited in fire. My shoulders are inflamed. My right side of my neck is the worst. My left is decent. I can feel fire, soreness, and heat and extra pain entering my chest. Okay. Ugh. Okay, I'm 3/4 of the way open. I'm now going to get up. After this, I'm going to grab the cup I want. Then I'm going to pour a glass. And then I'm going to drink it. But I'm tingly. I kind of feel lightheaded right now. And I feel wobbly, even though I'm sitting in this chair. Okay, so I'm actually going to, I don't know what I want to do. I'm going to put the eggnog here. Open it all the way. Okay. Okay, I'm going to rotate this over here. I'm going to go grab a glass. Okay, now, okay. Oh, that hurts my low back, my spine, shoulders. Okay. Oh man, I'm like, it's almost like I'm pushing boundaries, but I'm barely doing anything. Oh, fuck. Okay, that sucks. Now I got eggnog everywhere. Fuck me. Okay. I'm gonna use this. I mean, wiping this eggnog off is lightning shooting through my right arm. Agony shooting down my spine. I mean, even just the extra pressure shooting fire, shoulder. I am so not okay. The worst part is, I have no proof to back up my situation, except for what you're seeing here today. Okay, let's try this eggnog and then I'll post this video for everybody to see. Let's see if this eggnog is even good. I highly doubt it because there's only one eggnog that's ever been worthy of my taste buds. Even holding this cup, it's almost like this cup feels 5 pounds. It's plastic and I have less than an ounce in here. Oh, not good. Terrible eggnog flavor. There's like no vanilla. I just have this like bold taste of like egg and milk. Atrocious. Very unhappy. But, well, I'm not really unhappy. Oh! Oh, fuggle muffin. So I just tried to wipe some of the eggnog off the side of the recliner, and that impacted my shoulder in an immense way. So, okay. No more Trader Joe's eggnog, but I will, over the next few days, I will doctor this eggnog up and give you a new evaluation. Steve Fallon signing out. Move with high intentions. Intentions moving high. And that was me opening and tasting eggnog by my lonesome. Even though I am not alone, my mom and dad are both home. This is just what happens when I'm independent. Eggnog here. It's like, I don't even want to pick it up. It's too, I don't know. Like this is how, I felt like doing a crazy leg squat. It didn't feel good at all. Okay, I'm supposed to be leaving now. Bye. See you guys later.